into my channel. So today we are going to see how to get Ajio products at 80% of discount. This discount is available for all the products, all categories, and for everyone. Now I am going to guide you how to get these products at 80% of discount by shopping on for my products. So I am selecting gender. I would like to choose few dresses for myself. I'm sorting the price from lowest first. So they got sorted. Dress prices are starting from 160. You can see there every product got its own discount like 75%, 60%. In addition to that, your discount and the offer price is given below already for every product. So I'm quickly selecting one of the dress and adding the product to the cart. As the products are at 80% discount, they quickly go out of stock. So I suggest you to select the products quickly. So I'm just going to find another dress for me. So this white dress looks pretty. I'm selecting that and I am going to add it to my cart. So there are few terms and conditions to avail this discount. I'm done with selecting the dresses. Let me go down, and if I see any pretty dress, I'm going to add it. So let us go for kurtis as well, kurtis and kurtas as well. So I'm going to kurti. I'm selecting the category kurtis and kurtas for me and sorting out to the lowest first, and I'm going to add one of the product for myself. So we can clearly see that kurtis are also starting at 160 rupees, and I would like to select one of the kurti for myself. Before that, as I already said, the terms and conditions, the first thing is that this is available only on website. So I'm going to give you the link below in the description, and also the cart value should be more than 1250 rupees. I'm scrolling down to get one of the good product for myself. This white one looks pretty, but I have already selected white, so I would like to select another product. Yes, this red color looks good, so I'm selecting that, and I'm selecting the size for me and adding the product to the cart. You might have observed that this product got 360 rupees, and offer price is also given as 360 rupees. This product is already at 80% discount, so offer price is also 360 rupees. So the cart, I opened the cart, and the cart value is 728 rupees. Everyone please note the code here. The code is EK80. So I clicked on that and I applied. So we can see that my product value was around 1700, more than 1700, and I got them for 1079 rupees only. So every product is like 200 rupees, 260 rupees and 360 rupees. See, these are very pretty dresses, and we got just for 260 rupees only. So I suggest everyone quickly add the products before they go out of stock. We also don't know how many days or hours this offer is going to be available for us. Link is given below in the description. For more shopping updates, online reviews, discounts, everything, please do subscribe, like and comment.